story.
So people say that it's like a proper full Bollywood movie type story. कि coach की बेटी से you started liking her. What was it?
Coach ki
How
beti.
did you meet your wife?
She was the one who contacted me.
Okay.
She was crazy, man. Still is. So her father, Subudha Bhattacharya, was my coach at Mohun Bagan.
Hmm.
I had signed Mohun Bagan and I think in my second year there. I was 19. She was 16. Sorry, Sonam. You were a minor, man. She stole, no advertisement. Please, girls, don't do it. Boys, don't do it. She stole the number from her father's phone and she messaged me.
Okay.
I'm a huge fan. Whatever. I just ignored. She was persistent. And I really want to meet you. Whatever. She said the right things. So I went to see her. When I met her, I was like, kid, you go to school, man. What's wrong with you? I did not know that she was my coach's daughter. So we met. I was young, stupid, yeah. And we met, and after a couple of months, some because my father-in-law is technically challenged. He doesn't know how to do. So he gave me his phone at the club. Ye theek kar dena. When I was fixing, I saw the number and I was zapped. Like, why are you playing with my career, dost? Your coach's daughter. Why would you do that? She's like, no, she's like, coach's daughter is my friend. I got the number from him. That's the story she played. And I was like, yeah. And I called her and I fired her. Like, what's wrong with you? You will throw me out of the club. My career is gone. And then for a couple of months we didn't talk. But then it had to happen. Probably I was smitten. So I called her back, contacted her back after some time. And yeah, that's how it started. For the probably the Bollywood part is, we could keep it under wrap for all those years.
For how many years?
For a lot of years, man. We used to buy movie tickets.
So your father-in-law didn't know?
Man, and he's
Your coach.
He's a big guy in Calcutta. He knows everything in Calcutta. So we get movie tickets. I will leave one if I'm first there, or she will leave one. I'll enter the hall before, she'll come back after. We never could eat out. When we had to meet, we'll go to Goa or somewhere else. When I was playing there in Calcutta, we could never. My wife's brother Shahib, me and him are best pals from that time.
Okay.
We started our journey together.
Nice.
And I used to go to the coach's house because Shahib and all. So whenever we had to meet in a group, it was Shahib who would bring Sonam and we could meet. Shahib knew from day one, but father-in-law didn't. So that probably is the twist part. And
How many years did
13
it
years
go
we
like?
dated.
13 years you
Yes.
guys dated. And 13 years ago your father-in-law didn't know.
Yes. I think at the last he heard some rumors. And
What was the reaction?
No, he didn't directly charge Sonam, but he just like, now you got to get married. Stuff like that. How certain families pressurize the daughter. Then I went. I wore, that was a funny one. I wore shirt, pant. We generally don't. There's nice black shoes. I went there. Morning, 6 o'clock, 6:30 I reached. I said, Coach, I want to talk to you something. He's like, yeah, and how's the game going? Yeah, whenever we meet, even now, it's all about, we never talk about family. क्या हो रहा वो गेम में ये डिफेंस वो हो गया ये I'm all suited booted and Shaib is sitting there at their house and he's like Shaib just he's talking Bangla like shots da क्या no एरकम मतलब why is he wearing this pant and not giving me shots and be comfortable and I'm prepared with my speech you know I'm going ये and then yeah and then after a pause of talking about football I said Coach I really want to talk to you about something important. I said yeah I just want to talk to a Sonam and I said Sonam. He turned to me and he had a straight face. I was like, wow. That's just the first line. And I said, I really love your daughter for the last 13 years. And the one thing that Sonam asked me, do not tell my dad that you know me for 13 years. And the first line was, I know Sonam for 13 years and I really love her. And third line of the 20 nice lines, he goes to the bathroom. Just walks out. I'm looking at Shaib. Shaib looking at me. I'm looking at him. He comes back and he's like, no, I know you. You're a good boy. Lata is my mother-in-law. Lata will talk to your parents. Everything's fine. And he was so shy. I felt so bad because here is somebody who's a big figure and a top player, Arjun Awardee, and then a coach, and he's just trying to avoid eye contact. And then I walked away. My mother-in-law and my then girlfriend, now wife, were petrified. What happened? I said, relax. So that's the story.
हुआ क्या फिर उसके बाद?
Yeah, and
He
then,
was okay. Was like हाँ ठीक है.
I was clear in my head.
No, but did he
Nothing.
resisted?
No.
Did he revolt?
No.
Did he resist anything?
No, I think he liked me then and likes me now as a player and as a person. That is the reason I want to believe that. Yeah.
So it was okay. It was not bad then.
No, the Bollywood part was before these things.
Everything, yeah.
Of could not meet, ये नहीं वो नहीं दिखना नहीं है बाहर ये है वो ऐसा वैसा. In that small, because at that time I was not Sunil Chhetri, but still I was a Mohan Bagan player. Still, and he was huge, and his daughter was known, and his son was known. His son is in movie in Bengali movie stuff, so he was known. So we couldn't go out. We never went to a restaurant or something like that. We could not.
For 13 years.
Yeah, not in Calcutta.
Not in Calcutta.
So when
outside Calcutta.
I was playing for Dempos, then I was in Kansas in US, then whatever. Then we could, but we could never meet openly in Calcutta.
Wow. And it was, so all these years you never felt like कि हाँ ठीक है पता चल गया सर को तो क्या हो गया, ऐसा कभी अंदर से नहीं आया?
That was not my call ना, क्योंकि problem उसको आएगी. So it was always her call, and she didn't want it, and I respected that.
Fair.
और मुझे कुछ खास बाहर मिलने का वो भी नहीं था कि नहीं खाना मिल रहा रेस्टोरेंट में ठीक है नहीं मिल रहा.
हाँ.
It didn't matter.
टाइम स्पेंड करने से मतलब है कहीं भी करो.
मुझे कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता था.